new Taiwanese airlines dedicatedly wants to make the market more competitive. Compete with the flag carrier China Airlines and the big competitor EVA Air. Let's see what the unique Starlux Airlines could offer the passengers. Hello folks, warmest greetings from Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. Such a beautiful morning today. I'm about to check out from the hotel room and so ready for the flight. The airline I'm so happy to try out today is Starlux. Starlux has been on a list I would like to try since a long time. I'm very excited right now. Furthermore, I'm flying in premium economy on the Airbus A350-900. After getting through the crazy traffic of Saigon in rush hour, I finally made it to the airport. Check-in is quick as there's a separate line for premium economy passengers. Border control and security today are surprisingly quite empty. It takes about 15 minutes to be assigned. I already have a good feeling for the flight today. I decided to sit at the gate as I actually don't have much time to enjoy the lounge. I get a familiar seat with a perfect view to the runway. Here comes our workhorse already. An Airbus A350-900 Juliet X-ray Sierra Juliet X-ray, which is 2 years old, quite brand new aircraft. Boarding is a bit confusing as the Group 3 of the economy is called for boarding at first, but then they have to wait at the gate while the business class and premium economy passengers are called for boarding as well and go directly to the jet bridge. So, I don't understand why they call the people to stand up for boarding and let them wait at the gate like that. Starlux offers in this aircraft 36 seats in the premium economy, and I choose for me today a window seat 24A. The premium economy had 8 seats in a row with a config 242. My first impression is the cabin looks very nice. This is my seat for the flight today, my home for the next 3 hours, seat 24A. Awaiting at the seat are a pillow, a blanket, and noise-cancelling headphones. Very impressive is a big modern IFE screen. The screen is 15.6 inches. As usual, the storage basket is placed under the screen. There's also a small waste basket beside the legroom. With a width of 40 inches, the seat is extremely spacious for me with lots of legroom. There's a small tray for the drinks on the armrest. A remote control for the IFE screen attached on the armrest as well, and 2 buttons to adjust the seat. The headrest can be easily folded from both sides. The seat can be reclined for 8 inches. This seat also offers a leg rest together with a footrest. This is how it looks when you recline the seat with a leg rest. A sturdy foldable table can be pulled out from the storage space on armrest. Even though it's an Airbus A350, there's no window shade. The window can be dimmed just like the Boeing 787 Dreamliner. The The noise-cancelling headphones looks great. Let's try it later. Being placed at the seat is an electric plug for the headphones, charging plug for the USB type, C type, and a universal socket. This aircraft has no personal air vents. Let's check the IFE system of Starlux. I have to say, oh wow, the screen is so big, modern, and very responsive. Starlux offers the passengers various choices of movies, especially Asian films and Hollywood films. As this is not a long-haul flight, I preferred playing games than watching films. Here you also have plenty of choices. Oh, and some music as well. And here you are, Mariah Carey. You can use the remote control to interact with the screen. You also can find out the meal menu on the screen. For the main course, there are choices between minced pork with rice and baked fish. The flight map looks stunning and you can do a lot of things with it. For example, zoom in, zoom out, or change the view mode. The security video is played and we are taxiing to the runway, ready for takeoff. The flight takes about 3 hours to be completed and we will be cruising at 37,000 feet. There's Wi-Fi on board on this aircraft. The passengers sitting in the premium economy get Wi-Fi for free. How nice! Let's check the noise-cancelling headphones. It offers really good sound quality, I have to say. Lean back the seat, enjoy the good music in the air is awesome. The restroom is beautifully decorated with flowers, is spacious, clean, and offers sufficient amenity for the passengers. As soon as we reach the cruising altitude, the crew starts the service on board. The meal has a very good presentation. The airline used porcelain bowls and plates for the appetizer and the main dish, which helps it look more elegant. The rice is tenderly cooked and very sticky, which I really love. It tastes so good together with the pork. I also can't complain about the appetizer and dessert. Overall, it's a fantastic culinary experience on board. After finishing the meal, I recline the seat and enjoy reading a bit. The window can be completely dimmed in dark mode. After about 3 hours flying, we start our descent to Taoyuan International Airport. It is absolutely a very great flight with Starlux Airlines in premium economy. The airline impresses me with a nice and comfortable seat, equipped with a massive modern IFV screen. The cabin crew is polite and helpful. I was knocked down by the stunning meal experience with amazing minced pork dish. Starlux really knows how to bring the passengers the luxurious experiences while flying. Starlux definitely made it to the top tier airlines in my flying list. Very well done! If you find my video interesting, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. I appreciate it, and thank you so much for doing that. Let's check out this amazing seat again before disembarking, and this nice cabin as well. Welcome to Taoyuan International Airport, one of my favorite airports in the world. This is the end of my video today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Goodbye!